Alright y'all, today got a really nice little 2000 model DEERE 544H. Really clean wheel loader right here, y'all. 8-foot forks up front. Set up perfectly for a salvage yard. 20.5 R25 rubber all the way around. Good type machine. Cold AC, hot heat. DEERE 6068T, 138 horse diesel power, 4-speed power shift transmission. Boy, she is sharp. Runs excellent. Cab glass will be replaced. There are 2 missing panes of glass up there, or we can sell it like it is. Really nice clean loader right here, y'all. Clean cab. All right there in your joystick. Does have auxiliaries as well if you'd like to hook up a grapple. Really sharp loader right here, y'all. 13601 Highway 45 North, Finger, Tennessee is where this loader will be located. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. That's Southern like I talk, equipment like you like, LLC.com. As always, we sure appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.